the troops gathered here at Lukop today, and I'm standing on the second hole, and I tell you what, I always get excited because I test golf clubs and I carry on, and I'm just in the best space ever. But the new Bertha Mini 1.5, it's a little bit bigger than a 3-wood, but it's a little bit smaller than a driver. I hit this club. I hit it really well. And I tell you guys, I could use this as my own 3-wood like that. PJ, there's a few of my balls lying on the green, believe it or not.
Geez, I must say, that was impressive, Cruzy. But we've got to mention one thing. We are standing on the ladies' tee. You know, we're telling the guys you're hitting it from back there all the way there. We might have some issues. It is still about 300 though. Really, really good. You know, yes, you did mention the cup face technology. Now, for those of you that aren't familiar, and I'm sure you've heard it, but I don't know how much you know about it, it's effectively, if you think of a cup, there's a little circle running there all the way around the club face to which the body of the golf club gets attached. That gives you maximum trampoline effect, if you will. Gets the ball off the face really, really quickly. That gets paired with obviously the hyperspeed frame face technology from Callaway. They have worked on this over the years. It's a combination of some older technologies, newer technologies combined. Again, that's for maximum amount of ball speed. The nice part about that technology is if you hit it slightly out of the heel or even out of the toe, you get a lot of rebound effect. You get a lot of speed off the face. The other thing we got to remember here, there's a modified Warbird sole in here. Obviously, with the 3-wood being a little bit bigger than what we're used to, about 35%, getting it up in the air is going to be vital if you want to be hitting it off the deck. With that modified sole, it gets it through that turf so nicely, so easily, helps you get it up in the air.
Now PJ, I see it's a 14 degree. Does it just come into 14 degree that you can interchange it and make it stronger or weaker?
No, Cruzy. You actually get two loft options as standard, 12 degree and a 14 degree that we've got here today. And that's obviously to give you a wider range of golfers. You know, taking the 12 degree, for example, you can knock it down to 11, which gives you that more penetrating flight. It's also a lot closer to a standard driver's loft. And then obviously with the 14, for the guy like yourself, struggling with the 3-wood itself, looking for something that's a bit easier to hit, still getting it up in the air, you've got the ability to go up to a 16 degree with this if you really want to. You know, in a nutshell, not a new concept, let's be honest here. A few other guys have done this. What is beautiful about this, it's aimed at the guy that really struggles with the driver. Either he can't hit it really nicely because the shaft's a little bit long, or the head just doesn't look the right size. I mean, we're old school golfers. I mean, we like something a little bit more compact, but I still play with a smaller driver. This will help the guy looking for something that's easier to hit because of length being a little bit shorter, but also looking for something that he can hit off the fairway, not necessarily just off the tee box.
Very versatile.
It is extremely versatile.